Autodesk Vault for AutoCAD electrical users. Autodesk Vault supports AutoCAD electrical specific workflows and functionality. Electrical projects and the sheet relationships and associated workflows are understood and supported by Vault. Adding a project to Vault is easy using the purpose-built Vault Check-in All command. Once files are saved and an appropriate Vault location is chosen, the project and all of the associated files are added to and managed by Vault. Vault file status icons are present for the project and each sheet in the project, and communicate the disposition of a drawing, as do tooltips and the Details pane. During a quick review of the files in Vault Explorer, it is clear the relationships are exposed and can be managed here as well. As such, uses and where used information and drawing previews are available. Application or modification of any of these features is recognized by Vault, and Vault responds with a prompt for checkout. Workflows using parent-child and cross-sheet referencing of components are understood and supported. Devices and their associated manufacturing bill of materials information are also understood by Vault, as are all advanced AutoCAD electrical annotation and object workflows. As device cross-sheet references need to be updated, Vault and AutoCAD electrical work together to check out, check in, and document change version history. As schematic designs are completed, users check files back into the Vault. Vault enables a true, managed, multi-user collaborative environment in AutoCAD electrical. The embedded bill of materials information assigned to devices using the manufacturer's database is understood and supported as well, resulting in a complete design product structure being created when assigning item records to the project. Items and their associated BOM data can be leveraged to initiate and support downstream business process. Unparalleled integration with controls design makes Autodesk Vault the right choice for Autodesk customers.